Let's start. Refraction at convex surface. Refraction at convex surface. From rarer medium to denser medium. Formation of real image. Let's see the animation figure. This is glass having convex surface. Blue shade. Let's write about here rarer medium. It is mu1 it is showing. In the textbook it is N1. And denser optical medium, not density. Denser optical medium is N2. Take a one line at the center, which is P, is the pole, C is the center of curvature, that is radius of curvature. For this curvature, the center is C. Let's take one point object. From here, two rays we are considering. One ray, it is showing along the principal axis. Another ray just above the principal axis with a small angle. Then after refraction, it will meet at I. These two rays, the ray which is going along the principal axis, it will not deviate, go pass through it in the same line. And the other ray which is going above the principal axis, it will fall on the curved surface of glass. Refraction take place and meet at I. And these two rays after refraction, it is meeting at I. I is called image formed by O. O is the object, it is a light object, and its image is formed in the glass medium. Let's start derivation. Very simple derivation it is. One is normal which is drawn at A. It will pass through the center of curvature. That is, in the mathematics you have seen any normal is drawn on the curved surface, it will pass through the center of curvature. Next, the ray which is extended are shown in the dotted line. The angle between normal to incident ray is angle of incidence. Next, let's drop a perpendicular on principal axis from A between this refracted ray. AI is refracted ray in the glass with normal is angle of refraction. Angles as alpha. Alpha is the angle at O, and beta is angle at image I. Gamma is the angle at C. Now let us take the physical quantities P to C. It is the radius of curvature of this glass. The other one is U. U is the distance from the pole to object, that is object distance. Then V is the pole to image, V. Next, let's start the mathematical properties. I is exterior angle of the triangle AOC. We know that exterior angle I is equal to sum of interior angles. Interior angle is alpha and gamma. Next, let's take the gamma is exterior angle of CAI. In the CAI, exterior angle is equal to R plus beta. There R plus beta is interior angles, the same property of the triangle. Then R can be written as gamma minus beta. Then next, let us consider the tan alpha. Tan alpha means opposite side by adjacent side. So AM in a triangle AOM, it is a right angle triangle. In this, AM is opposite side, MO is adjacent side. Tan theta is equal to opposite side by adjacent side. So that you can write as for small angles, as I told you, alpha is very, very small. It is very close to the principal axis. Alpha is MA by MO. Next, tan beta. Tan beta is here, that right angle triangle is AMI. In AMI, opposite side AM divided by MI. Then for small angle, tan beta will become beta itself, MA, MI. These are the properties you have studied in trigonometry. Then tan gamma. Gamma is what it is? AMC. In AMC, it is a right angle triangle. Opposite side is AM. MC is, that is, adjacent side. Then again we can say gamma is equal to MA by MC. According to Snell's law. What is Snell's law? It is the second rule of refraction. There are two rules. One is instant ray, normal, and refractor ray all lies in the same plane. Second one is sine law. According to sine law, refractive index of the two medias is equal to sine I by sine R. Since I and R are very small, that also equal to N2 by N1 or mu2 by mu1. That is I equal to I by R equal to mu2 mu1. Then we can see here cross multiplication. This is mu1 is equal to I is equal to mu2 R. This is the equation. I can be calculated from I is equal to alpha gamma. That means alpha is MA by MO, and R is calculated from gamma minus beta. Gamma means MA by MC minus MA by MI. All will get cancelled and we will be arriving to this equation. It's a very simple, just simplify. MA is going to cancel. Then you will get mu1 by PO. PO means what? From here to here. That is object distance. That is U. Then mu2 by PI. Mu2 by PI means PO. P2I is V. That is other side. And mu2 minus mu1 by PC. So after substituting all these things, we can get this equation. And still, if you have any doubt on this equation arriving, you can give me in my comment box in YouTube. Next, by submitting the PO is equal to minus U. Why it is minus U? Sign conventions we are following here. That is P to left side against the ray is minus U. P to right side in the direction of ray is positive. So object distance will become negative, image distance will become positive, and radius of curvature is, you can see P to C, that is right side, it will be R. So all these things, if you submit it in PO place, if you submit it, mu1 by minus U, mu2 by V. That means N1 by minus U, N2 by V, N2 minus N1 by R. See here, mu1, mu2, they are actually in the textbook, it is given N1 by N2 in NCERT book. So just this confusion, you should remove it. Either you can write as mu1 and mu2, there's no problem. So final equation you can see here, that is mu1 by minus U, mu2 by plus V is equal to mu2 minus mu1 and R. This is the very important relation. One problem in objective type or in JEE main exam, definitely it will come. So everyone should remember this problem and solve it accordingly. Let's see one problem over here. This problem is saying here, light from a point source in a air falls on a spherical glass surface N, refractive index 1.5. Light from a point surface, point source. Light from a point source in air falls on a spherical glass surface. That is just now what I have derived, same thing. N is refractive index between air and glass. Air will be 1 and glass will be 1.5. And radius of curvature is 20 centimeters. The distance of the light source from the glass surface, that is light source means what is the object, which is 100 centimeter. At what position the image is formed? This is the actually question. This question we will solve in the separate video. It will take time. So today's class this much only. Then I just this is our AY channel, providing you a lot of stress-free material in physics, especially solving problems and derivations, etc. See this video, and if the content is good, please like it. Thank you.